Next up is lateral band walk. So for this one, we're going to need a TheraBand. I prefer these looped bands, which keep this tension. And we're going to put this right around the knees. Now we're going to start at the knees because that's a shorter lever. As we progress, and if we want a little bit more of a difficult challenge, we can absolutely bring this band around the ankles. That will increase the demand of these hips. But for now, let's start around the knees. To start with this exercise, we want our hips, knees, feet all squared up, pointed forward. A nice soft athletic stance, so my knees are slightly bent, my hips are slightly bent here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up my foot, take a big step, and then a small step. Big step, small step. So what I'm looking to do is control each of these steps instead of allowing my foot to kind of shuffle and the band drag my foot. I wanna control it because that's where you're gonna get the benefit from these hip muscles here. We're gonna pick up and put down. Now notice my feet never slap together. I'm controlling the tension on the band at all times, and that's where you're gonna get the most value here in these glute medius and minimus muscles, the hip abductor muscle groups, which is such a key muscle group to get back into action after an injury or a surgery because they play such a critical role in stability of your lumbopelvis area, so your back and your hip area. And they generate a lot of power during functional activities like stairs, getting up from a chair, running, walking, just for postural stability. So they're such an important muscle group to get back into shape. And this is a good functional exercise to throw into your routine to start building up some of that stability. Another thing to watch out for is any leaning, some teeter-tottering. So when I step, don't be lurching the other way, because that's a loss of stability of these hips. So notice I'm staying straight up and down here throughout the whole activity, making sure that I am not compensating. And go until you feel a nice good burn on the sides of the hips.